Jai Shri Krishna guys, hello friends. So today we are going to look at one of the questions of JEE Advanced 2021 paper 1. Although being a easy question, many students got their answers two way different from those given in the options below. And this was because of a silly mistake made by them in the final step. So this is a JEE Advanced 2021 paper 1 question. So the question reads, the smallest division on the main scale of the vernier caliper is 0.1 centimeter. This is the vernier caliper reading. 10 divisions of the vernier caliper corresponds to the 9 division of the main scale. The figure below shows on the left shows the reading of the caliper with no gap between its two jaws. It means when the object is not placed, the main scale reading and the vernier scale reading divisions are shown below. The figure on the right shows the reading with the solid sphere held between the jaws. The correct diameter of the sphere is. So we are told to find the diameter of the sphere, and the readings of the main vernier caliper are given when the diameter to be calculated is placed inside the vernier calipers. So you may pause the video and try it yourself. Coming to the explanation part. So as you know, this type of question demands least count error and a negative or a positive error. So the first step that we are going to look at is finding the least count. So as you know, least count has formula as 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. We are given 1 main scale division equals to 0.1 centimeter. It is given in the question over here on the top, and we are given in the second line of the question that 10 vernier scale division corresponds to 9 main scale divisions. From here we can find 1 vernier scale division equals to 9 by 10 main scale divisions. So the final least count becomes 1 main scale division minus 9 by 10 main scale divisions, which comes out to be 1 by 10 main scale divisions, which finally becomes 0.01 centimeter. Now here we have completed the first part of the question. Always calculate the vernier scale reading, may it be a screw gauge or a vernier caliper. Always calculate the least count. Now coming to the second part of the answer. In the second part we will calculate the error by normal method. Don't consider a positive or a negative error. So calculating the error, we usually calculate the error by watching the nearest division on the main scale, which corresponds to the 0 of the vernier scale. So here it corresponds to 3.1. So the net error that comes out to be 3.1 plus least count into division number on vernier scale that coincides. So we can find here zero of the vernier scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to find the reading on the vernier scale that corresponds to exact main scale reading. So here we can find that the first division of the vernier scale corresponds to the 3.1 3.2nd division of the main scale reading. Others do not overlap or coincide. This is the main coincident point. Okay, so the number of vernier scale division that corresponds is 1. So here the final equation that we will write is 3.1 plus least count times division number, that is 1, and we know least count is 0.01 centimeter times 1, as we have calculated the least count in the first step. So finally the error without considering any positive or a negative deviation will become 3.11 centimeter. And here we have completed the major part of the question. So finally we are shifting to the final part of the question, whether it is a positive or a negative error. For this we will first look at the concept. So here here you can see the concept written as zero error, which is the ideal case for a vernier caliper. The zero of the main scale reading coincides with the zero of the vernier scale reading. This is a perfect ideal case, which is referred to as a zero error. Over in the positive error, we see that the zero of the main scale reading is behind the zero of the vernier scale reading. When this case arises, it is a positive error, and negative error is the case when zero of the main scale reading is in front of the zero of the vernier scale reading. So over here in this question we have zero of the main scale reading is in front of the zero of the vernier scale reading. This is a pure case of negative error, as it is clear from the fact over here. So being a negative error, we will calculate the final part of the question, that is the third part. For calculating third part, we will take this figure into consideration on the next page. Do take a look over it. The figure shows this kind of reading: 0 of the vernier scale division, 0 of the main scale division. If we extend the graph, then this will correspond to the -1 of the main scale reading, vernier scale reading, and this part will correspond to the -1 of the vernier scale division. So over here we will calculate this portion first, from -1 of the main scale reading to the 0 of the vernier scale reading. It will be the simple calculations of the error that we did in the second part of the question. So it will be 0 plus least count times of division number. So it will be least count 0.01 times of division number. For division number, we'll look at the figure behind. Over here we can see that the division number is after 5th division. The 6th division corresponds to the main scale reading and overlaps, others do not. So the division number is 6. So the division number is 6. Least count times of division number becomes 6, which finally comes out to be 0.06 centimeters. This is the reading of between the -1 of the main scale division and the 0 of the vernier scale division. So finally we need to calculate this part of the division. This part can be I am making it a star mark over here. Okay, so this part can be calculated from the fact that one main scale reading minus 0.06, it comes out to be 0.04 centimeters. it comes out to be 0.04 centimeters. This is the final error, and we have a negative error, so we will add a negative sign over here, as we have calculated, as we have seen from the concept that it is a negative error. So we'll add a negative sign over here. Don't forget to add the negative sign over here. I will mark the negative sign. Better I will erase it. Okay, so we have finally reached the final step of our answer. We have calculated all the steps. So finally the reading, so the final reading, yes, so final reading will be error minus 0 error. Here zero error is positive/negative error, which was calculated in the third step. So the final reading will become 3.11 minus of 0.04, which comes out to be 3.15 centimeter, and this is the final answer of the question. So it was a pretty much easy question, although many students got failed in this last step of the question. So you must have tried, and if you did not get the right answer, do see this video again. And concluding the video over here. So concluding the video over here, this is the conceptual part. Do check the video again if you did not understand it. Thank you for watching this video. Now you are one step ahead than before, as you have gained a bit of knowledge. Do share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you, and thank you for your support. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.